I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth every day. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I go to school by bus. I come home at 6 p.m. I cook dinner every night. I read books before bed. I exercise in the morning. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I check my emails daily. Where is the bathroom? What time is it? How much does it cost? Can you help me? What's your name? Where do you live? Do you speak English? How old are you? What's your phone number? Can I ask you a question?
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.